Friends, welcome back to the new video friends and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about how can we solve Bluetooth network problem in our Tecno phone. Guys, you have guys your Bluetooth network problem and guys you want to solve it. So friends, how can you solve in this video friends? I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve guys your Bluetooth network problem. Then guys scroll it. So once you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone, so guys click on your phone system setting friends. And guys click on guys your language. Oh sorry friends, click on this reset option. Guys click on your reset setting and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. We will tap here to reset means solve it. So guys your Bluetooth problem will solve and guys you can use guys your Bluetooth setting without any problem guys. After that guys you have any problem related to guys your Bluetooth setting and network and device setting, so you can ask me in comment section. And guys you don't have any other problem, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number and guys send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.